Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reactivate your PrizePicks account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method, but you have to make sure how it can occur as well. So in case if you have been trying to sign in and PrizePicks account is deactivated, then first thing first, you have to make sure that you're in the correct location, because if it's the location where PrizePicks does not operate, then you cannot have the account open or activated. Make sure to check your connection, including Wi-Fi connection, internet connection of yours, and the location, and then you can start using it. Now next thing is, if your account has been automatically deactivated without you doing anything, that means you might have violated PrizePicks code of conduct. That could cause the problem, and you cannot be, and then that's why you cannot access your account. Now the other thing that you can do is, if in case you just have forgotten your password and just cannot log into you and just want to have a restart, go to the signing in purpose. So make sure to simply copy this link right over here. Once you have copied it, go ahead, create a new tab, simply paste the particular link and go through the signing in purpose. You will find just by opening up your app, and then the interface shall pop up where you have to simply enter your account information and the password to sign in. So you will get this kind of interface. Go ahead, add in your email for you, where you will get the code to reset your password, re-sign in, and that should help you out. If you're not working, again, check the location of your internet connection and everything else, and that should help you. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.